Funny moments once again.
Nah, bro bought the Roblox mods.
No, this shit the
Bro
funny
bought the
moment.
Roblox speed coil. Nah, bro bought the Roblox speed coil.
The Roblox speed coil.
Nah, yellow.
Yeah,
he bought the Roblox speed coil.
Queso now.
Why does
No,
Roblox
you know
have to
how he
get
has red
in
on it? You
there?
know how he's red on it?
Bro, he's scared of us.
No,
He's
yellow hat,
scared of
stop
us.
moving, yellow hat, yellow hat.
Why are we chasing? Why are we chasing Queso?
You know how he has red on
Bro.
him? Bro bought the
Guys,
Roblox speed coil.
Queso's scared of us.
He bought the Roblox speed coil.
No. No.
He bought the Roblox speed coil, bro. That's why he has red on him. That's why he has red.
You're actually
Yeah, bro. Imagine they actually added to it.
He is the survive the death killer. Oh my gosh! Yeah, run!
Yo,
Oh my gosh!
turn back! Turn back!
In the walls.
Forgot to say headphones warning, but okay. I'm the one with the one. That's the one. Please tell me. Oh, hi there. Thought we get the whole party here.
It's a party in the USA.
Yeah. America.
Guys, I'm gonna go get Queso.
No, you're gonna kill us all.
Guys, we want to see how. We want to see
Come
how.
on, bro.
No,
Guys, this guy's smart.
not before I do it first. Not before I do it first. Not before I do it first.
I'm bad. I'm bad, man. This is Queso's favorite place. Guys, we're heading into Queso's favorite place. We got Queso. I forgot to turn on my mods. Wait for me. Queso will eat us. We will eat Queso. I forgot to turn on my mods. We will eat Queso. Queso will not eat us.
Bro, as soon as I see that red light,
The
run.
monster bought a robot speaker.
You see red? Yeah, what he said, run.
Bro said some. I need some Robux about this robot speaker.
Where'd they go? I think they went this way.
He went straight.
Fucking right.
Which way did they go?
Right here. Guys, they're here.
Hey!
Which way did they go?
Is he there?
Back.
Blue. Hello.
Where is he? Why is it loud?
I won.
No, wait, guys.
Oh, wait, who else is recording? I forgot.
Hold on.
Oh, who else is
I just did
Yo!
I just did an edit go, yo. I just did an edit go.
Bro, my team is stuck on wall. I'm winning.
Bro, I did it. Sonic race. Black. I win again.
How is it the same spot? How is it the same spot?
Where did he come from?
Mamma mia. No, I could.
Help!
Bro, we all no-clipped it out of the roof.
Wait, you want to see how people fall in cartoons? How people fall in cartoons? Whoa! Oh no!
I died.
Especially with that one scene where they just start walking on air and then they doesn't realize that they're about to fall.
This is my first time playing it. I just died from
Hold on,
This is them. Not green. This is them.
Black.
Green.
Do you know that like one scene where they start walking on air but does not realize they were about to fall?
Jump scared me.
Exactly. They're like.
Yeah, they're like walking on air and does not realize
Nah,
it.
bro.
You want to adventure together?
How people split up bananas? How people split up bananas in cartoons? In real life? Oopsies.
Cowabunga.
They're like.
That's gonna leave a mark.
No.
Bro, I forgot to turn on my mods. What the heck is wrong with me?
Alright, let's go out, boys.
Hey, y'all
Come
wanna-
on, boys, let's go
y'all
out.
wanna join the
Which
code?
way are we
Y'all wanna join
going?
the code?
Where we go?
I
Bro, why
forgot
are
to
you
turn
going
on
up
my
here?
mods.
Wait, dude, y'all wanna join the code? Y'all wanna join the code?
Okay, yeah.
Wait, you wanna join the code? You wanna join the code?
Blue.
Yeah, code. Yeah.
I bet it's gonna be JK.
Blue, do this. Go like this. What's the code?
Hold on, shut up!
JKLE?
Yes,
JKLE.
JKLE.
Okay, I'll be there. JKLE.
Remember, JKLE.
Alright. JKLE. Mouse clicking. JK. Oh. JKLM. JKLM. LE? What? Dang, I think I don't remember. Oh, there we go.
Alright, bet, hold on.
I got the wrong color. I put M on accident.
Right.
Okay, I put
lucky.
M, so it.
But guys, I got finger painter.
Doesn't even show.
Hold on, can I add you? Can I add you?
Yeah.
Bro,
Alright,
I'm
what's your
gonna
name?
buy mods. This one?
By the $20.
No, man.
Hey, what?
That's
What did you say?
fine.
Alright, what's your name?
Jan. The
Jan.
JAN.
So it's Jan.
THE.
Alright. Hold on. Say it again.
JANTHE.
Alright.
THE.
Man, later I'm finna ask my grandma if I can get mods, man. Can you get me mods?
GAMER. And there's two of them.
So Jan the
Jan
Jan
the
what?
Gamer 1.
Nerdy.
There's
Jan the
two of
Gamer.
me because my main one was gone.
Which one is it?
FNF one. No, both the one that says Yank the Gamer. That's my original. That's like my main, but I lost that one. So you have to. Okay.
I sent you.
Oh my god, my
I
hands.
sent you a friend request.
Alright, whatever.
How did you?
I don't know. I couldn't
lose your
recover.
account?
Crazy. Okay.
So
Guys,
what
look,
happened?
I have
Did you log out of
No.
it or
I
something?
don't know.
Guys, you know how to run fast?
Mods.
I have. Yeah. Yeah, you need. I mean, unless your arms are like.
Dog, it's just a small space because there's a bed, and I keep hitting my foot on the bed. Like, it's like my bed's like right here. Like I'm gonna put my controller down.
I'm in
in
my
my-
front room.
I'm in my room.
My bed is
Mine's like right here.
My bed is right there.
So where are you? Wait, how big is your
Nah.
space?
Pretty small. I can't even do this. Okay, I can do this, but if I go like this, I'm gonna hit something. Like, listen.
Yeah, I heard it. Little.
I see what you're saying.
So
Hold
I-
on.
Yeah, they do, but they cost more. They're more expensive.
Bro, I really wanna get some.
$25 for
where did
mod
that
menu
go?
exit and like $15 for mod menu. And it even shows the leaderboard too. Well, this one over here has mirror.
Well, these mods better be better, cause you still
What?
wanna know what I'm mad about? They still haven't changed the Soon mod. The Soon mod.
The what mod?
The Soon. You know how
Yeah.
there's a mod called Soon?
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't work right now. So the ones that work, they don't. So no clip doesn't work.
I'm gonna
But
buy
yeah,
this
clip
one.
doesn't
That's
work
15
anymore.
bucks.
And Soon doesn't. And Soon
I'm
doesn't
gonna,
work.
the other one is better.
I mean, it does come with a mirror on it.
Alright.
I'm gonna
Whatever
end the
we
funny
do.
moments, bro.
Hold on, I'm trying to see something.
Yeah, I
Oh,
should.
you're
Yeah.
funny moments right now? What's your YouTube?
Didn't I give it to the user? No.
No, you didn't give it to me.
I have a YouTube user. It's cringe.
What's your YouTube?
Oh, my
What's
YouTube,
your
frick. Put that down. I'm about to like once I'm done with this one. Once I'm done with this recording, then I'm gonna send it to. Then I'm gonna like post it onto the channel. So
Oh snap!
bet.
My VR has.
yeah,
So I'll be
yeah,
in the
sis.
video, I'll be in the video.
And everyone else that was in there in the run level is also part of it. Someone else was also recording too.
My VR is.
Yeah, I
still
was too. I
2%.
was. It
My
was me or
VR is
something.
Go charge it
1%.
Remember it.
Oh, well, what's your name on Oculus? I can add you.
I don't think But's got that time.
What's your name?
I don't think he's got like 5 seconds remaining.
Is RISZION.
RISVION. Damn. How do you, is it an uppercase R?
Yeah, he did
Yeah, he's
dead.
gone. We lost him.
Okay.
Oh, he gone.
So it's called Giancarlo. It's basically my full name, and then the last one's like, and not the last one.
Hold on.
But not.
TGTG. My little kid, what you doing? He is my friend.
The hell? That's not what. Tamu, I swear to gosh. No one cares, Tamu. Thank you. Shoot. Hold up. Have you got the channel yet or no?
Hold on.
Have you like?
You said
asked-
what?
Cause I'm about to read the chat. I'm about to say the
What is
channel.
it? You never. Oh, bet. What's your name?
Jan Carlos HDEZ. Jan
Wait, so it's
Carlos
Jan
HDEZ
HD.
E.
So H.
No,
Oh, so it's
H-
H80.
D E Z.
Okay. No response found. So it's Jan Carlos.
Not B.
HDEZ.
D. Anyways. Yeah. And then after
Yeah, I put
that,
a D.
5990.
Is there uppercase G? Is there uppercase G? You said what?
Adios.